What's up, guys? It's August 23rd, 2024. Had a nice day. It was a couple legs lower and another couple legs higher. Gonna do a quick one. You might see this sell buy button here because I'm recording this on August 26th. So this is Friday and I'm recording it on a Monday. Yeah, got a little bit sick over the weekend. This is the day in question. I say that because we know it got bad follow through, but in relation to this chart, it's a bull bar and that's good for the bulls. This bar in relation to the 20 seconds bar is a bad close. So we want to see a bulls want to see a strong breakout closing far above the tail. I mean, we know they don't get that. So yeah, I'll just talk about the bars and the gaps and how we always do it. Let me turn this off. Get a little bit quicker here. I just feel weird because I already know what tomorrow's price action is. That makes sense because it's the 26th. Gap up. Bar one's a bear bar. We're just gonna talk about it like this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a little drained from this coronavirus. So we have a gap up, and the market goes sideways. When I saw these first 6 bars, I'm thinking, all right, range bound market. It's gonna be buy low, sell high. And what do we get? Buy low, sell high. First 6 bars of the day are important. I used to really harp on the first 6 bars of the day. Lately we've been focused on price action because that's just the more detailed way to do it, I think. First 6 bars of the day can either only be ranging or trending. If it's trending, we're looking for gaps. If gaps are closing, we're thinking range. We have a gap up and then a lot of sideways price action with a huge bull bar. Leg one, pull back leg two. Deep tail on 8. This is actually a very big bull leg right here. I did not catch that. So let's just go to a lower time frame. Again, I don't trade on the 1 minute. I'm just showing you guys stuff. Where's the line I drew? Oh, wait, where's the line I drew? I drew it here. Oh, well. Let's go back to the 5 minute. That's weird that the lines... Oh, wait. Oh, was I even on the right chart? I don't even know. Okay. Should pretend like that didn't happen. Anyways. Oh, yeah, there's the line, but it doesn't show up on the 1 minute. All right. So there's a leg right there. Pull back, leg 3. Be careful buying this again. Not a good close above the previous bars, but good for the bulls. It's climactic. It's really big. That follow through 12. Strong 2 legs down. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. The higher time frame EMA reverses up for 3 legs. Excuse me, 2 legs? No, 3 legs. Leg 1. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. And then bears get a double top. This is a lower, so this is a double top, and this is a lower high in relation to this. So it's a lower high double top. Bulls that bought here buy more lower and they get out their previous entry. They make a scalp on their second entry, break even on their first. That's enough selling pressure to create a few legs lower. Leg 1, break out below the EMA, resets the market cycle. First opposite bar equals channel phase. And you could even say this is the breakout, very deep pullback. So spike, deep pullback, and channel. There's multiple ways to read the market cycle. Let me mute the mic 2 seconds. I just finished today's breakdown. My voice is a little bit dry. Or my throat, rather, not my voice. But yeah, leg 1, breakout. What am I saying? Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Wedge bottom. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3 for the bulls. Wedge top. Head and shoulders right here. Failed breakout on the higher time frame EMA, sells off. 39 becomes climactic. I think bears have to take profits. 40, bad follow through. 41, good bull bar. 42 is good follow through for 41, but it's a bad close on the EMA. Then we go more sideways, but bull bar starts to stack up. Then we get a small buy the close rally that eventually goes more sideways. With this much selling pressure, this much buying pressure, that's big down, big up. That means the market's gonna go range bound. Bears get trapped on 67, leg 1, pull back leg 2. So yeah, I'm gonna draw these gaps. I know that was a little bit quicker than what you guys are used to. I got thrown off the course a little bit, so I'm back on the horse today. Appreciate you guys understanding. And if you don't understand, well, understand it, because that's what happened. Oh, man. Have you guys ever had coronavirus? I got it. I never got it until here, which is like what? When did it happen in 2019? So what, 5 years later? And it's a really weak version. I'm just out of breath and a little bit dizzy. So I'm not too. I was sleeping a lot this weekend because I don't like being sick. I actually don't think I've been sick this year. I've been trying to be healthy. So this gap gets filled right away, right? Sell off, reverses higher, gets closed. And then we go more sideways. There's another gap here. I'm probably going to delete one of these gaps because it just looks funny. So this gap to this gap one, and then there's a gap. Yeah, I mean, I drew it right. It just looks funny. I have a wedge bottom here. It's a wedge bottom bull flag because this breakout failed. That's that gap up. Super deep pullback. Bulls don't want to see that. Bulls don't even want to see any bars ever below the EMA. They always just want to see the market in a slow uptrend. They just want this all day, including myself. And bears want this. They want this price action. We got sideways price action today. So thank you for understanding, guys. Cut it here. The other videos are gonna drop in at tonight, normal time. As soon as I'm done recording this, I'm just gonna post this one. Hope you guys are doing okay, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you. Bye.